Wu Duo Wei, father of beautiful woman. The standard a beautiful woman set by Wu Duo Wei. There are 33 conditions in the standard a beautiful woman. A woman who meets all conditions is a beautiful woman. 1. The height is between 1.64 meters and 1.70 meters. 2. The weight is between 50 kilograms and 60 kilograms. 3. The breast size is between C and E. 4. The angle between the ear and the face is between 170 degrees and 175 degrees. 5. The angle between the two sides of the chin is between 100 degrees and 115 degrees. 6. On the face, the size of the mole is between 0 mm and 0.5 mm. 7. The width of the eye is between 1 cm and 1.1 cm. 8. There is no concave line above 3 mm at the upper end of the eye. 9. The distance from the upper end of the eye to the eyebrow is between 1 mm and 2 mm larger than the width of the eye. 10. The eyebrow inclines upward between 5 degrees and 10 degrees. 11. The distance between two eyes is between 3 mm and 6 mm larger than the length of one eye. 12. The width of the nose is between 3 mm and 6 mm larger than the length of one eye. 13. The width of the mouth is between 0 mm and 5 mm smaller than the distance between the two irises. 14. The thickness of the lower lip is between 0 mm and 1 mm larger than the width of the eye. 15. The upper lip is between 1 mm and 3 mm thinner than the lower lip. 16. The vertical distance between the lower end of the nose and the upper end of the upper lip is between 1 mm and 2 mm larger than the thickness of the lower lip. 17. The distance from the lower end of the lower lip to the lower end of the chin is between 2 mm and 5 mm smaller than the distance from the lower end of the lower lip to the lower end of the nose. 18. The vertical distance between the lower end of the eye and the lower end of the nose is between 0 mm and 5 mm smaller than the vertical distance between the upper end of the upper lip and the lower end of the chin. 19. The vertical distance between the upper end of the hairline and the upper end of the eyebrow is between 0 mm and 5 mm smaller than the vertical distance between the upper end of the eye and the lower end of the nose. 20. The forehead inclines backward between 15 degrees and 20 degrees. 21. The eye is between 6 mm and 1.2 cm behind the forehead. 22. The intersection of the horizontal line at the upper end of the eye and the nose is between 0 mm and 2 mm behind the forehead. 23. The intersection of the horizontal line at the lower end of the eye and the nose is between 2 mm and 4 mm ahead of the forehead. 24. The chin protrudes forward between 1 mm and 2 mm. 25. The chin is between 0 mm and 2 mm behind the forehead. 26. The lower lip is between 4 mm and 6 mm ahead of the chin. 27. The upper lip is between 2 mm and 4 mm ahead of the lower lip. 28. The mouth inclines forward between 10 degrees and 15 degrees. 29. The angle between the nose and the mouth is between 90 degrees and 95 degrees. 30. The nose is between 1.3 centimeters and 1.6 centimeters ahead of the mouth. 31. When laughing, the exposed part has no gum above the upper end of the tooth. 32. When laughing, the spacing between the exposed teeth is between 0 mm and 0.5 mm. 33. When laughing, the exposed teeth are arranged neatly,